Hi, this is Jenny Gonzalez with Keller Williams Corona. Today we are going to talk about home warranty. What is a home warranty? A home warranty policy, which typically lasts for 1 year and is renewable, which I personally recommend, provides coverage for some of your home systems and appliances. In return for the annual fee, the company will cover repair costs and arrange for contractors. You'll pay a deductible fee and possibly service fees if you need to use the warranty. Do I need a home warranty? If you're buying an existing home, especially one with appliances that are more than 4 years old, a home warranty can give you peace of mind about paying for unexpected repairs and finding a reliable contractor. If you're a first-time buyer, especially if you have limited savings, this can be particularly important. If you have plenty of emergency savings, you're handy and know good contractors, you may not need a warranty. Your real estate agent can also be a good source of recommendations for contractors. If you're buying a newly built home, structural defects are usually under warranty by the builder for 10 years, and other items are typically covered for 6 months to 2 years. So you don't usually need a home warranty. What should I look for in a home warranty? To choose a good home warranty, you and your agent should review the home warranty company's license with your state's real estate commission, the fine print, that's where you'll find exclusions and limitations, what's covered and what's not. The coverage limits, your repairs will only be paid for up to a specific level. Service fees and deductibles. How quickly service and claims are handled. How contractors are vetted and what happens if you use your own. Coverage differences between a basic warranty and enhanced warranty. Online reviews. You can always ask your real estate agent for home warranty recommendations and advice. I am proud to be a member of Keller Williams Corona. My license number is 01249788 and Keller Williams Corona license is 01406566. Each office is independently owned and operated, but we all work as a team. As you see, we're all wearing red here, and we have Red Day, and that has all of us with hearts because we give back to the community and we love our community.
Like us on social media. I'm on Twitter at Jenny G Sells Homes. I'm on YouTube at Jenny Gonzalez Real Estate, and you can find me on Facebook on Jenny Gonzalez Real Estate.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, Jenny Gonzalez Realtor. You stay up to date with market updates, upcoming listings, and anything else that's going on in the community that you may be interested in. Call me today for more information regarding the real estate market. My name is Jenny Gonzalez. I'm with Keller Williams Corona, and my cell phone number is 951-316-0374, and my license number is 01249788. Thank you for watching the video. I am Jenny Gonzalez, Realtor, and I provide all real estate services. And to me, a home is not just a place to live. Home is where memories are made.